Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Guru. Please click on the like, share and subscribe button.
Hello friends, in this tutorial we learn about basics commands in RHEL 8. In my last tutorial we studied about Linux directory structure. That's my RHEL 8 machine. First of all we have to log in. We just click on note listed, username root, enter my password. This is the screen of RHEL 8. Now open the terminal. First of all we go to activities. Terminal. To zoom in, press Ctrl Shift plus. My first command is to check the computer name or host name. We are using the command host name. My computer name is Tech Guru. If we want to detail of computer name, then you type the command host name ctl. Enter. This command will give you the static computer name. Chassis means I am working on the VMware, so it will show you virtualization in VMware, and my operating system is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.2 and its architecture is 64-bit and its Linux kernel version is 4.18.0.193. To scroll the screen, press Ctrl L. To check the login name, command is whoami, root is login. To check the current location, pwd command, present working directory. I am on the home directory of root user. Type ls. Type ls command to check the current directory, files and folders. Here you can see that blue color and white color. Blue color is for folder and white is for file. Suppose I want to go to desktop, then type the command cd space desktop. Linux is case sensitive, so you have to type the same spelling as that given in ls command. Enter. Now type pwd. Pwd is for present working directory. Next is cd command. Cd space dot. Single dot means current location. It will not change the current location of your system. To move one step back, command is cd space dot dot. Enter. It will move one step back. Again type cd space desktop. If we want to go to directly to the home directory of user, type the command cd. Enter. Check pwd command. Again go to desktop and type cd space tile symbol. Enter. pwd. That means cd command and cd tile symbol have both gives the same result to move to the user's home directory. Now I'm again going to a desktop. Next command is to see the calendar, cal. When you type cal, you can see the current month calendar. To see the whole year calendar, you have to type cal space year. Enter. Then you have to see full month calendar. If you want to see the particular month for a particular year, then you have to type the command cal space month then year. It will show the August because 8th is the August month. To see the previous month, current month and next month, command is cal space -3. Enter. With the help of this command, you can see May, June and July month calendar. We want to save the output in a file. We have to type cal space redirect symbol, then file name. Suppose my file name is 2020. Enter. You can read this file using the cat command. Cat means concatenate, then file name. See the current month. If you want to append this file, append means the content of the file is remain as it is, and my next command result is saved below the previous data. We have to type the command cel space -3 space 2 times redirection space same file name. Enter. Again to read the file, cat space file name. See my previous content is this and my next file is this. If you want to overwrite the file, you have to type the command cal space 2020 single redirect and same file name. Enter. If you check the same file, it will overwrite the content of the file. Next command to create a folder. The command is mkdir space folder name. You type dir1. Enter. ls for list. See there is one file and one folder is existing. Next command is mkdir space v. V means verbose. Verbose means we can see what will happen. Space we create the directory dir2 space dir3 dir4. Enter. You can see with the help of verbose we get the output created directory, directory2 and so on. Now if you want to create multiple directories at the same time with named as A, B, C, D, then I have to type the command mkdir space -v. V is optional. Curly bracket A dot dot I curly bracket close. Enter. Then you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I directory are created. You can check using the ls command. Now if you want to create a tree structure, means a folder within a folder, then I have to type the command mkdir space -v, P for parent space Sunday, Monday, Jan, Feb, March, enter. You can see the output. To check, type the command tree space Sunday, enter. See, the root directory is Monday and subdirectory is Monday, its subdirectory is January and its subdirectory is February and February subdirectory is March. Next command to create a empty file, command is touch space help, enter. Or you can create multiple file using the command touch space file1 space file2, enter. You can also create multiple files, touch. Suppose I want to create file named as Deepak1.5.txt, enter. ls Deepak1, Deepak2.txt files are created, but these files are empty file. Next command is echo. Echo command is used to display the message. Suppose I type my channel name is Tech Guru, enter. See, message is display. My channel name is Tech Guru. Suppose I want to save in a file. So again repeat this command. Then you have to redirect it and give the file name. Suppose my file name is file1, enter. If this file is existing, then file is overwrite. If the file is not available, then it will create the file. To read the content, we use the cat command, enter. If you write another line, you have to type echo space please like share, then double quote, redirect, then file name is same, enter. Type again cat space file name, the content is written. Again type ls for list. You can also write the command ll for long list. Now suppose I want to copy the files and paste them in a folder. Suppose I want to copy Deepak1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and paste in Sunday folder. Then command is cp space dwp ak star.txt space folder name, then enter. Then type command tree space Sunday. You can see all files are copied in a Sunday folder. Now suppose I want to move these files in Monday folder. Then I have to type command mv space deepak star.txt space Sunday, then mode, then enter. Again type the command tree space Sunday, enter. ls. See, there are no files are available. Their files are cut and paste in the directory. Next command is again cat space file1. Now I want to read in reverse order. Then command is tech space file1, enter. See, second line becomes the first line and first line becomes the second line. And so, because cat will read the file from top to bottom and tag command will read the file from bottom to top. If you want to write the line number, then type the command cat space -n space file name file1, enter. See, there are two lines available. Next, to delete a file, the command is rm space -i space file name, enter. It will ask for delete yes or no. We type yes, it will delete the file. Again type ls to check. If you want to delete the file without confirmation, then you have to type the command rm space -f means forcefully space file name to enter. ls, the file will be deleted. Now suppose I want to copy a file. Now suppose I want to copy a folder and paste in another directory. The command is cp space capital R for recursive, V means verbose, space folder name. My source folder is Sunday space dir2 folder, enter. See, my files are copied. Before this sign, it is a source, and after this, there is a destination path. Or you can check using the tree command, tree space dir2, enter. To delete all the files and folders, type the command rm space -rf space folder name dir star, enter. ls, it will delete all the dir directory. Now if you want to delete all these files and folders with a single command, type the command rm space -rf space star, then enter. ls. Next is head command. Head command is used to read the file content from top of the file. Command is head space /etc/passwd. You can read any file. In my example, we read the file where all the users of existing are available. Or you can also use the command space pipe symbol space cat space -n, enter. See, they will read above 10 lines. You can also use the command head -3 space file name which you want to read, then pipe symbol. Pipe symbol means the output of first command become the input of second command. Cat space -n for number. It will read the above 3 lines. Same as tail command. It will read below 10 lines /etc/passwd, enter. Or you can use the same pipe symbol space cat -n enter. Same command for the last 3 lines, enter. You can also use this command like this, head /etc /passwd space 5 symbol tail minus n space 3 5 symbol cat hyphen and enter. This command will read the first 10 lines from the passwd file, then tail the last 3 lines and give them number. To verify, we again type the same command, head /etc /passwd, enter. See this hot mail and operator. There is hot mail and operator. Next is the wc word count command. First we create a file echo space. Suppose we only type Deepak and save in a file, file1, enter. Now wc command, wc space -l space file name. Now there is only one line. I will show you only one line. If you write one more line, again using the same command, it will show you 2 lines. Next is wc, L is for line count. Next is wc -w, W means word count, then file name, enter. There are 3 words. In first line Deepak, in second line Deepak and Sood. Next is byte count. For byte count you can type the command wc space -c, then file name, enter. There's 19 character. Space is also countable. Next is character count, wc -m space file name, enter. Its same is 19 characters. A means 1 character, B means 2 characters, C means 3 characters, and so on. Also use all switches in a single command, L, W, C, then file name, enter. Next is the history command. These commands are run. Suppose I want to run 91 command. Then I have to type sign of exclamation, then 91, enter. This command is executed. If you want to run the command starting with H, then sign of exclamation, H, then enter. Then it will run the latest command starting with H, or we type the command 81, tail command, sign of exclamation, then T, enter. See, it will run the last command of tail. Last command is this one, and it will run the same command, tail -3 etc passwd, then cat -n. If you want to repeat the last command, then you type 2 times sign of exclamation, then enter. Friends, that is for today's session. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.